Knowledgeable, customer-focused employees are the cornerstone of every successful business. No one sees your customers more than service department team members. You know the importance of training your employees, not only at initial hire, but ongoing training that will help them not only retain what they already know, but continually build on it. The challenge is providing this training in a time-efficient and cost-efficient way. With the Service Writers Advisor Self-Study online course, they may now learn anytime, anywhere, and on any tablet, computer, or mobile device. The course covers more than 40 competency areas as identified in a comprehensive job and task analysis developed by the Ohio State University's Center on Education and Training for Employment. The principles of working as a service writer advisor are broken into duties on the left and tasks to the right, as indicated in the DACOM chart. With instructional content from the best-selling Service Writer Advisor Learning Guide, plus input from RV industry experts from across the country, instructional designers organized the course into 9 modules. From improving customer satisfaction, generating more revenue, to building trust and rapport, the course provides a core body of knowledge for service writers. Once logged into the platform, students may review videos for courses, including a course navigation demo. Within each lesson, the narration guides them through the course. Navigation buttons offer pause, continue, and a closed captioning button for those interested in reading the narration. The repeat button lets them replay the current slide. The course offers numerous self-checks, including this sample end-of-lesson challenge question. The comprehensive final assessment is a timed 39-question test. Once a score of 80% or better is achieved, the student may download a certificate of completion. This certificate demonstrates completion of the course. If their goal is to earn the designation of Certified Service Writer Advisor, they may submit an application with payment and take the certification test. Enroll today for an easy $150 per person for our 5-hour, 9-module course. Knowledgeable, trained employees are the cornerstone of every successful business. The Service Writer Advisor online course was created for the people that are the face of your dealership. Enroll your service team today.